Adapting text for different learners is simple with Teachermatic's Adapt Your Content Generator. In just a few steps, content can be adjusted for length, language level, tone, and specific learning needs. Let's go through the process. To access the Adapt Your Content Generator, browse through the available generators and locate it manually. Or for a quicker method, type Adapt into the search bar. Once it appears, click on the Use button to open up the generator. Now let's add the content that needs to be adapted. There are two ways to do this: typing or pasting text directly into the text box, or uploading a file, whether that's a Word or PDF, that contains the content. For this example, we'll be using the following source. A portion of the content will be copied from the Wikipedia link and pasted into the text box in Teachermatic to demonstrate how to adapt it. Next, let's adjust the settings to tailor the content appropriately. For the length, you can use the slider to shorten or lengthen the text as needed. In the CEFR section, we'll select B2 for upper intermediate level learners. In the tone, we'll select the drop-down menu and then select Friendly. For the age of learners, we'll enter the age 12. And for learning needs, we'll enter dyslexia to adapt the content for accessibility. With these settings adjusted, the text will be tailored to meet the specific needs of learners. Now that everything is set up, click Generate. In just a few moments, Teachermatic will transform the original text content to match the selected criteria. And there it is. The adapted text is now ready. If any further adjustments are needed, you can review the output and tweak the settings as necessary. The Refine option allows adjustments to specific parts of the generated text, while Regenerate will create a completely new version based on the selected settings. The text can be refined or regenerated until the desired result is achieved. Once satisfied with the adapted content, it can be used in lesson plans, shared with students, or exported for further use. With just a few simple steps, Teachermatic's Adapt Your Content Generator makes it easy to adjust text for different learning needs. This tool ensures accessibility and engagement while saving valuable time. Give it a try and see how effortlessly content can be tailored.